I love all the snow here. It's awesome. Ah, more snow coming through. Subscribe to our channel for lots of fun videos posted every day. Hey, lots of toys fans, it's Miriam.
And Patrick!
We're going to open a fun new toy today. It's a construction set and it includes a lot of accessories. It's a giant box and it includes a playmat with it. There are signs, excavators, fire trucks.
And a big truck, guys.
A helicopter, cones, barriers, signs. And at the end, we're going to open some surprise blind boxes. But now let's go ahead and take a look at the back of our box. Here's the playmat that's included. And it's a die-cast metal and plastic vehicles. Awesome, let's go ahead and open this up. Awesome toy. And it actually includes a lot of toys. Look at all the construction machines and signs included. So let's set up the mat first.
Let's close off the road.
So here's the mat, and it's really awesome. It's actually a construction site. We've got all kinds of signs. Now let's set up our machinery so they can do the work. Yeah, we have to make sure that we block off this road. What happens if you don't block off the road?
The cars are gonna crash.
Yeah, they're gonna go off the road. We don't want that.
So we have to close the road.
Awesome. What else are you putting on there? Yeah, caution. It's a construction site, and look, there's a sign over here. Okay, what's next? Here's our fun little helicopter. It's a rescue helicopter.
These kind of trucks are allowed to go in here, right? I have one of these.
Yeah, we have another one of those. We have a, what is this? A front loader. So this is our first truck included in the set. Then we have this front loader. This looks more like a robot, doesn't it? Like a little tiny robot one.
It's not a robot.
It's got a working scoop. And next up, we have this cement mixer. And it does lift and lower. Remember, all of these are die-cast material. And of course, we have our dump truck.
This can reach high places.
And what kind of a truck is that?
It's a truck that extends so it can cut the trees. When you put it back, you just fold it and then you lower it. Now we have our fire truck.
This is an awesome fire truck. It has all the gear on it. It's part of the crew to make sure everyone is working safely.
Honk, honk.
Look who's coming. It's our Enviro Grav Transporter. It's a really fun truck. It actually transports gravel. It has this trailer that removes. You can remove it.
How does it transport gravel?
Because at a construction site, you have a lot of gravel, a lot of dirt that you're moving about, right? From one place to another. time to open the presents. Let's see, what do we have in the first one? This is a special one that Patrick actually put together for you. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's lots of snow. What's in there? What else?
Play-Doh.
You got a can of Play-Doh. Oh, and a dump of snow. Awesome. Look at this. You can turn this can upside down, and what do you have here? You have a barrel. A construction barrel. I love all the snow here. It's awesome. Ah, more snow coming through. Looks like it's snowing here. We have one more box to open. A surprise box.
I got snow on the box.
Let's dust it off and open it and see what's inside. Oh, there's snow coming out. And what else?
M&M.
Oh, look at this fun, cute guy. Ah, he's getting dumped with snow. And it's an M&M twist and pour dispenser. He's a snowman, so perfect. Snow and snowman with it. And he's a red guy. Here we have one more box to open.
There was a snowstorm.
I know. Let's go ahead and open this box up and see what do we have inside.
Santa.
Who is it?
Santy.
It's Santa Claus. Skittles. Twist and pour Santa Claus. That's some fun candy we got today. Look at this. That's it for us, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe and watch more by clicking the I above.